Paris, the city of light. One of the most beautiful and cosmopolitan capitals in the world. A place of the ages that has truly passed the test of time. But it's a city where the property market changes constantly. Today there is a chronic shortage of real estate. An intense competition from buyers, all looking for their dream homes across the city. Many listings are already under offer, while the best properties are sold off-market, quickly and without any advertising at all, to the privileged few who are in the know. Buying here can be bewildering and frustrating, especially if you are not an insider, do not have your own personal network, and do not know who to trust. So how can you get access to the best property in the Paris market? Home Hunts are the luxury property finders, with the inside track on this competitive market and the right experience to guide you through every step of the buying process. We live and breathe the Paris property market and have built lasting relationships with key agents. We have eyes and ears on the ground in France and work exclusively for you, the buyer. We listen carefully to your requirements and offer objective and truly impartial advice before working closely with our contacts to prepare the best possible shortlist for you to review. Our job is to make your transaction go smoothly, taking care of viewings, negotiation, and red tape, all through a dedicated point of contact who is with you every single step of the way. So if you are looking for a way into this wonderful city, let us be your partner in Paris. Home Hunts. Your dream home starts here.